Hiya guys, back to another video, and yes, we are returning in the kitchen adventures. Today we are making noodles. I've still got one packet to put in. Yeah, I got 3 packets in there already. I'm yet to put the first one in. Oh, here you go. It's open. We get to put that in. Open that in a minute. Right. It's getting boiled. Okay, so I have 2 barbecues in there. 2 barbecue flavours. There goes the water. The water is boiled. I always put it on 9 maximum. I'm cutting up the packets. So that is fine. I can let that cook for a bit until I open these packets right here. This I don't need. I don't need. Need that. I don't need that. I need that. I'm about to open that one. Yes, I have 2 barbecue flavours here. I like the flavoured noodles. Open them. Put out scissors. I'm gonna have scissors on hand. Put them there. Drink my drink. So wait a minute. Okay. Right. Take you over here. The noodles area. See everything with the noodles. Noodles. Maybe a little bit later we might have a curry that my dad made. A little bit later. Let's do the let's do the hot and spicy one first, and the barbecue, the first barbecue flavour. I do like original sometimes. I do like original flavours sometimes. Not all the time. Maybe we can use the original flavoured noodles for a first challenge. And then these, what do I call it, satay flavoured noodles, flavoured. It's the barbecue. Give that a stir. Then I will show you how I stay awake while this is cooking. spicy as I can. So that can cook. This in the bin. It's very hot today. I think that's about what, 39? What about that? Like 39, 40 degrees. And then I have my noodles. And then I'm going to put take out the rubbish. That's including my dad. I'll put him in the rubbish too. If he doesn't not give me my money this week, I'll put him in the rubbish tree next week. Okay, so this is how I'll say I went. I am my getaway first. My blue getaway. Blue, purple, whatever it is. It is grape flavored. It is grape flavored. I'll come back to that. Because now I'll have my iced coffee. That's the fridge. Then I go back with my getaway. Yeah, and this is already open, so I will be having that with my noodles. How are these noodles going? Pretty good. I don't use a fork. I use that just to stir it a little bit. I'm gonna use that anyway to scoop up the soup in the bowl, not in there. I use a little bit of soup. This is how I cook my noodles, guys. This is how I make my noodles. See when it starts bubbling, like that. When it starts bubbling, I turn it off and then I drain it in this colander. What do you got? See. But how I express this bubbling noodles is breathing. When the noodle starts breathing like that, that means it's time to turn it off. So you don't want to go overboard. And now this is part where I have to stop talking because I need to concentrate. Right, do that. I do that. Right, I come over here. This part here, this section. I get the salt. I think I've done this a while ago as well when we were living in Sydney, I think. But I think it was on my phone. I haven't done it on a video camera. I've done it on my phone. Noodles. Ah. can do that. That's what I do. And then the rest of the noodles I put it on top. On top I make a mess. I pour it on top, I'll make a mess. It's very sticky as well. So, and I have that there, and then we wash up. That's what I think we're good, very good of having that time of nuts. That's why we never noodles every single day, because that time of nuts. I guess maybe some people have the cravings. And eat as I come up, cook up the soup. Not too much. Okay, noodles are done. I'll get the cloth, tea towel. You don't do that unless you're a professional like me, especially when the soap is hot. So you never do that unless you're a professional like me. Right, noodles are done. I got my drink too. Then